TikTok gets a lot of traffic. I think TikTok is a great way to even promote your YouTube channel. Do I have a TikTok? No. I'm in my 20s, but I still feel like I'm too old for TikTok. So we ain't on TikTok doing all these dances and all this other weird shit. No, we ain't doing that. I ain't promoting my channel, bro. Fuck that, bro. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Campbell, and we're reporting live from the trenches, bite with another video. So first and foremost, man, if you're new to my channel, this is your first time ever watching one of my videos, first, I just want to thank you. If you enjoyed the content that you see today, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button as well as turning on notifications. That way you're notified anytime that I post some content. And if you're feeling generous, please leave a like down below or even a comment. To all my people returning, man, welcome back to the trenches. Trenches, the trench family, you feel me? Now again, y'all know, man, I tell y'all this in every video. Please call me Meech, call me whatever, but don't call me Campbell. That's my last name. Like I said, I see you in public and you say, yo, what up, Campbell? I'm like, man, this dude the feds or something like, you feel me? So yeah, if you see me, y'all remember, it's Meech, you feel me? We family, we locked in, so you know what I'm saying? Those close to me know you call me Meech. So before we get into this video, I want to make sure I let y'all know that I am not getting paid to say or to make any reviews on these companies or even give y'all any game on it. So today it's just free game. Y'all know how I do. We don't sell products, we don't advertise stuff. Not that there's anything wrong with it, because that's how you get to the bag. I think eventually I will get to that point where I will be doing affiliate marketing and I will be trying to help y'all achieve and acquire some different things. But at the time being right now, we're not doing that. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with that. For those who do affiliate marketing, I think it's a great way to increase your bag and to get some extra income, especially if you are a social media influencer, or you're somebody with a platform, or you have a prominent voice in the community. I just didn't want y'all to think that this is like some paid promo and I'm trying to like subtly like shove it down y'all throats and give it to y'all. Nah, bruh. Bro, what did I just say? I said shove it down your throats, bro. Pause, bro. Yo, no way I just, y'all know we don't even rock like that over here, you feel me? To all the foo-foo boys, you feel me? Yeah, bro, I can't believe I just said that, bro. Yeah, we're gonna have to cut that clip out. It's like I was saying, we ain't trying to throw it in nobody's faces to try to sign people up for things, just trying to make some extra money off y'all. At the end of the day, I mean, like I said, I think one day we will get to that point where we're big enough and we'll have some good deals and we'll be able to advertise things. But right now, we ain't on that. Right now, we just grinding, so you feel me? I'm thankful. To all the people I see y'all in the comment section, man, I'm welcoming y'all because I see new subscribers, new people, new supporters each and every day, each and every video, and I'm so thankful and I'm so appreciative of it. I want y'all to feel welcome, to feel embraced by the community that we're trying to build here. At the end of the day, man, we in the trenches, man. I think in the trenches we have too much of a reputation for tearing each other down and not building each other up. So over here, man, we're gonna show each other nothing but love, and we're gonna continue to build this thing up from the ground up. But let's get into it, man. I know there's people who ain't never seen my videos before, and I don't want y'all to think we over here BSing or wasting time, so we getting straight into the video right now. So a lot of y'all might be asking, like, what is affiliate marketing? Especially my people in the trenches, man. We ain't even know nothing about credit till it was about 21, 22, you feel me? We just not learned about what credit was a few years ago. Y'all know we don't know nothing about no affiliate marketing. So let me break it down for the people who are not aware of what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser. It is a monetization model where an affiliate partner, which is you, is awarded a payout for providing a specific result of the retailer or advisor. Typically, the result is a sale, but some programs can reward you for leads, free trial users, clicks to a website, or getting downloads of an app, or even getting signups, memberships, and the list continues. So pretty much affiliate marketing is a link that you will provide that will be your specific link, and you will have people click on it. So what that entails as far as your affiliate marketing deal, it will depend upon the company, the brand, and who you are. For some people, all you have to do is click on a link and they get paid. For other people, you might have to sign up for a membership or account or something like that. It just all depends on who you are and what the deal is and who the company and the advertiser is. Affiliate marketing programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high setup costs. Done well, this performance-based opportunity can go from a side hustle to netting you a healthy income. So now that we kind of have an understanding or logistics of what affiliate marketing is, let's dive into what it takes to get started and what we'll need. So getting started, you have to pick a niche or a topic that you want to talk about and promote. So I think this is the simplest thing. You have to figure out what specific lane you want to talk about and what you want to promote. If I'm a person like myself who likes to talk about finances and business type things, I can't say, okay, I have a finance-based YouTube channel. but let's promote health and fitness. Even though I know a lot about health and fitness, clearly I'm in the gym every day. Clearly I look better than 99.99999% of the people watching this video. And that's not y'all, because I love y'all, but you feel me, it is what it is. Like, that's not what I'm here for. I have a finance-based YouTube channel. So for me to get into affiliate marketing, the best thing to be is to look into niche-specific affiliate marketing deals or programs that kind of go along with my audience. Y'all come here for free game. Y'all not coming here for workout advice. Y'all coming here for a free game to talk about money, to talk about plays, to talk about what's the move. We ain't here to talk about everything else. So again, y'all not here to listen to me talk about vehicles or cars, none of that stuff. Y'all are here to hear a specific thing, because I've shown that this is what I choose to talk about. And you have to show that you're an expert in one area or another. So that's going to be the first thing, picking a niche and then sticking with it, not going from side to side or being all over the place. And another thing that's very, I think, pivotal is that anyone can start. It doesn't cost any money to actually be an affiliate marketer. So to be the person advertising or to be the person promoting a company or a deal, you don't have to pay any money to do this. So this is good for my young people, especially if you like 17, 18 or something like that. And just like the teen, how we talking about making money for teens or even side hustles, I think this is a great thing for people, especially if you're younger, because it don't cost money and you can end up netting an income because there is no ceiling. There's a floor, but there's no ceiling. So you could be making just $10 to $20, a couple $100, a couple $1,000, a couple $100,000, a couple $1 million. There's no real ceiling. So how well you perform will be solely based off of who you are and how well you promote or advertise a product. But anytime they talk about selling or promoting a product for free and you don't have to pay anything to sign up and get put on with the company, in a sense, like, that's a W. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to do all this. I had to pay $20 to sign up, but now I can make money. Like, no, you feel me? You just sign and they check you out, and if they feel like you're a good candidate and a good fit for their company or their business model, their business role, then you just roll with them. Now, as a segue into that, I think we have to be aware of being brand conscious. With affiliate marketing, you don't want to be a person who is maybe not good for the company, not good for the brand. You have to have brand awareness. Brand awareness is simply understanding who you are, the position you're in, a platform, and understanding who you represent. Because I represent a specific company, some of my thoughts or views or even my actions could reflect back on the company. So if I'm a person who maybe, let's say I work for a company and I'm being rude or very angry or mean to people, or I'm saying some very controversial things, that could fall back on the company and that could cause them to lose money. If that causes them to lose money, of course they're gonna cut you off, because they got people to feed, they got families to feed, so they're not gonna allow that one person, that one bad apple, to spoil a whole bunch. So you got to understand your platform and understand how you can be brand conscious and brand aware and not make decisions or do things that could fall back and ultimately hurt the company and hurt you. There are hundreds of companies that you can get affiliate marketing through. Today we'll start with impact.com. So when you get on impact.com, the first thing you got to do is you have to sign in and create a profile. When it says upload a company logo, the profile picture thing, you just use a picture of your channel or whatever you use to like promote yourself, or like whatever it is that you use as like your public image. Like, obviously you're gonna fill out the basic information that you already know how to do. When you get to this section over here, when it says secondary promotional methods, you're gonna say you're a social media influencer. For promoting countries, I'd use the United States because that's where I'm based, but other good countries that also net good income as through affiliate marketing links and deals and clicks are Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. And once you get through all of this, it'll take a couple of days. I think that says 2 to 3 days once you actually sign up and stuff like that. I gotta remember, I don't have an impact.com account, or do I have an association with this platform whatsoever. I'm giving y'all free game, free sauce. I'm actually signing up myself, but you feel me? Like, right now I'm grinding, man. I feel like I'm at the point where I can't like do affiliate marketing deals, and maybe that's a bad take on my end, and I'll have to learn from that. Shout out to my dog Zell, you feel me? He always talking about people with bad takes, man. If you watching the video and you made it to this point in the video, man, show my dog Zell some love, man. Go follow him on Instagram, follow his trash. Don't even follow dude on Twitter. He don't post on Twitter, man. Go mess with him on Instagram, or subscribe to my dog YouTube, or better yet, go add him on Facebook. That's all he like. He an old head. He love Facebook. So you'll continue this process until you find companies that you'd like to promote. Again, like I always say, man, all money ain't good money. So in the trenches, we have this thing, like, not all good money is good money, just like not all attention is good attention. You don't want to be known and popular in the hood because you a snitch, you feel me? You don't want to be a person that's coming up and that got paper in your pocket because you out here shaking you feel me? That ain't what we do, you know what I'm saying? So be careful, man. Not all money is good money. So I'd only promote things that I have general good knowledge on and have experience with. But there are also good companies like PartnerStack and Amazon Associates, which you can become an affiliate marketer through. I just chose to focus on impact.com because this is solely the best based off reviews on what other people on the internet are saying. Once you have all your links, then you have to drive traffic and get people to sign up using your links. What I suggest is having a link tree so that people can click on one simple link, which will be like your direct portal, and then through through that link, you'll have a tree of separate things in which you can promote, and people can pick and choose which things they want to sign up for. I think that would be the best and easiest route. I think another great way to promote the links and get people to sign up is using apps such as TikTok and Pinterest. TikTok gets a lot of traffic. I think TikTok is a great way to even promote your YouTube channel. Do I have a TikTok? No. I'm in my 20s, but I still feel like I'm too old for TikTok. So we ain't on TikTok doing all these dances and all this other weird shit. No, we ain't doing that. I ain't promoting my channel, bro. Fuck that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, if you find me, you find me. If you rock me, you rock me. I gotta keep around on YouTube, and the algorithm gonna pick it up. I ain't getting on no TikTok, bro. Yeah, these are great ways to promote your links and get drive traffic, as well as doing YouTube video and using your description box, as well as, you know, maybe even in the comment section. So today, that pretty much wraps up today's video. You know what I'm saying? It was real quick and easy. If you're a crackhead, first and foremost, you don't have access to a computer, you don't have a bank account, you don't have any of these things. So this video just don't apply to you. If you're a silver spoon suburban boy, you don't feel like working. You feel me? If you're a silver spoon fed boy, you know what I'm saying, and this video ain't gonna be good for you, because guess what? You don't want to work for your money. Your mom and daddy gave it to you, and you had it from a young age. You feel me? So you know this ain't for you either. So y'all can go ahead, dislike the video and keep it moving. I love to dislike my videos, bro. So go ahead, dislike my video, leave a couple dislikes, whatever y'all want to do, bro, and keep it pushing. You feel me? Yeah, remember, like I said, I think these are good ways. I'm not getting paid to talk about impact.com or even there's great features to become an affiliated marketer. And this is something that I will use to eventually promote my brand and become bigger as I grow and become bigger. But right now I'm grinding, man. So I thank y'all for clicking on my video. If you made it to this point in the video, now please drop a gorilla emoji. If you ain't follow my dog Zell, I don't blame you, bro. His shit trash, bro. He has a terrible social media impact. His influence is terrible, but that's my dog, you feel me? So show him some love, man. But yeah, if you made it to this point in the video, please drop a gorilla emoji, man. Let me know you made it. I appreciate y'all for continuing to watch my videos. Y'all running it up, man. The watch time on the videos is continually going up. The retention rate is continually going up. The click-through rate is continually going up. Those are things I care most about. I don't care necessarily about views. I care about impact. If I have 1 million views on a video that's 10 minutes long, but people are only clicking on the video for a minute or less than, that's not good. I want people to watch my content and actually stay on my content. So for those of y'all that watch my content from front to back, I appreciate y'all, and I really do love y'all, and I support y'all because y'all support me, man. I'm trying to help make my dreams come true, and for that, man, I'm forever grateful. I believe this is a platform that can and will change my life. If you haven't already, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, as well as turning on that notification bell. That way you're notified anytime that I drop content. And if you're feeling generous, y'all know, drop a like down below. I greatly appreciate it. While we at it, please follow my social medias. Follow my Instagram. Please follow my Twitter, as well as follow my Snapchat. That way you kept in the loop on everything I have going on outside of finances. I haven't been as active on social media as of late because I'm really focusing. I'm grinding up. You feel me? The season coming up. I got some big things coming up, and I'm really trying to be focused. But at the end of the day, YouTube is still a primary focus of mine, and will continue to stay that way. As y'all see, I'm continually uploading. I'm continually staying passionate. I'm continually staying consistent because I am passionate about this. I really do believe that I can reach a demographic of people and give it to them in a way that they ain't heard it before. You feel me? It's different when you're getting information coming from a person who doesn't look like you or you can't relate to. I believe I'm kicking game to people that can relate to me, that maybe look like me or come from situations or environments like me. And I believe hopefully I can touch and reach these people to have them understand about financial literacy, as well as understanding what it takes to become successful and how we all can get that together, because I've had some success. Yes, I've made 6 figures in my 20s, but I want to be a millionaire before my 30s, you feel me? So that's what we're grinding for now. We got big goals and we got big dreams we're trying to accomplish. So those of y'all continue to support me, man. I love y'all. Thank y'all for clicking on my video. Thank you for watching my video, and I'm gonna catch y'all back at the next video, man.